We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Yeah, this is Everton Blender, and it's all about the young police from Jamaica, seeing Young Police Channel. Big up yourself, Everton Blender said that. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Blessed love, Rastafari.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, so this is part 2, yes man, of the 5-part series. I'm talking with this former nurse who, tells you about the deplorable condition that she used to work in at the Kingston Public Hospital under the PMP when, pregnant women have to bring their own pillows and sheets to have baby. I didn't know that. That's all. I used to read about it, and can you believe they have all 4 women on one bed? That is so disgraceful under the PMP criminal organization. And currently the people in Jamaica, the women, they're experiencing something totally different. So we want you, we continue the conversation with this woman. We want you to listen, you watch, you listen, and you decide. Because as we say over here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we're just all about the truth. We don't take side. And you understand, if you are wrong, we're going to call you out. If you're right, we're just going to let you know. Because we're all about the facts. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. Part 2, and we'll continue the journey.
Y'all are married, and some weird things they did. I'm married to, like you're married flower with bleach.
And them used to sell nail and all of these things. And
yes, and I'm like, people, and me, I'm not even trying to say I'm picking up for anybody because I think both parties...
No, I just speak the truth and everything.
Both party has flawed and they have flaws. But
yeah, that is true.
I noticed, even from me traveling back and forth to Jamaica now, I am so in awe with the development I see going on there. Yeah, like, I'm so impressed. And I'm like, whoa, Jamaica transformed. Jamaica when we leave in 2006.
I went to Jamaica and last about 4 times. I GPS affiliate, I tell you.
Yes, the place is looking, and people don't understand that it takes you about 20 to 25 years, to bring a country to develop a country, Mm-hmm. So to them now trying to smear the prime minister, and I have watched the thing, I've watched the people break down the report and whatnot, and I'm saying, like somebody said, if you're smart, you try to go call the prime minister and say, Brethren, teach me how to invest.
Simple as that.
Because clearly the man is an investor.
No, you have to understand. Look here, Michael Manley is the epitome of evil. Michael Manley teach Jamaican to be bad mind. Tell you, say if you have 2 cars, if you give people 1. That's why I tell a man, say, you're not getting none of my car, you go work for years.
Socialism.
Yes.
Socialism is dead.
Yeah, man, bad mind.
Because in a socialist society, you want to compensate people for not putting in the work.
Yeah, man.
Socialism is dead. You can't, you have to capitalist. And not for the people that were taught down in Jamaica, both.
They must capitalist, man.
The whole of them want to come to America or go a first world country. And I don't know any first world country that is not a capitalist society right now.
But look here.
America, the biggest capitalist society.
That is true.
And the whole of them are line up an embassy for come to America. Like, give me a break.
Well,
if you come over here, nobody I go give you no free, not like that.
No, but them come here with the same mentality. Look here. You see, in all of the cities them in America, I was talking with a co-worker of mine, a white man. And we were talking about the crime, and we are talking about the brother named Wilfred Rattigan, the former FBI agent, and that's how we come by, and them tell me, people who have them, them degree in a law and them thing there and work for the federal government. And I tell you, say, boy, a money laundering, a criminal money laundering thing, Ratigan and the others them commit against the the American government by using these front groups and I try to destabilize Jamaica. And you know, by talking and the man I tell me say, you know, he must say, hey Chris, man, in case you don't know, you see what's going on in the black community right here in America? It's importation of criminality from your country. I say, what? Him say, yes. Him says Jamaicans that came here and teach black Americans about they call it snitching and all of this. I say, what? So,
no, I'm not surprised.
So, you know, them not no respect for we and them thing because of the criminal-minded people, them, you understand?
And so, them things say, by swearing Andrew Holness and try to, this man, and I remember a caller called in and she was like, we don't go vote for the Prime Minister, but I don't have no money. The man don't have no money. What is 54 million? And but to the mind of the regular Jamaican, you know, when they hear 54 million US Jamaican dollars for them, oh,
that's a lot of money.
$54 million at 54 million as Prime Minister of Jamaica. You only move 54 million in 5 years. I'm money that?
That's a lot of money.
Yeah? A lot of people here me probably have more money than the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister have no money. Them not go drop of money with the man have 28 accounts. How much in a them? Like 200,000?
But hey, can't believe it. All the man, grandfather account them card, you know.
Like them crazy, man.
No, well, you have to understand, these people are desperate for power. So they will do anything.
When you look at the big picture, the man don't have no money. I'm like, Prime Minister, you want to tell me you get all them grants and all them something, the big money. And them accuse you. Yeah, that if that show we say they move some big sum, go do some big something. 54 million, that's enough money. Like, that's not even 400,000 US dollars. But ordinary, and I find, like, most people say, the PNP, I remember when Portia was in power, she used to tell the people, I'm for the poor, I love the poor.
No, anybody, my mother tell me that, anybody who tell us them love the poor because they want if you stay poor.
Thank you. That's exactly
my mother tell me that. Anybody tell us them love you because you're poor.
Yeah.
If you stay far from them, it's because they want to be
that's
poor.
That's what I told my daughter. I told my daughter that. You see, anybody, any government will embrace and I tell about poor.
So them love you. Yeah, you stay far from them. Yeah, man.
And then putting policies and strategies in place for you to improve yourself. Further access to education, entrepreneurship, things like that so you can build yourself. Don't, because what they do, you know, the PNP love, you see them organists, you see them people that run up and down without teeth, without foot, without arm.
Oh man, you said the licky people them.
Exactly. Can't barely read. You have to understand. And I said to myself, you see, Andrew Holness, if he's smart, if he wins again, because it's going to be very difficult for him, because they're trying to really just throw everything at him.
Yeah, well look here, it's not only that, you know, it's going to be a bloody election, you know.
Yeah. But let me tell you,
it's going to be
you see what he'll have to do, and if he's a leader that means Jamaica well, he's going to have to attack illiteracy.
That's it. But the woman named Fairval Williams is doing it, you know. Yes. Yes. But you know what is
just as how why you think but this Asian country here, but it's Singapore.
Singapore. Remember say Singapore copy a Jamaica blueprint. Jamaica blueprint what Edward Seaga write.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
what they did, you know, what they did to improve their country over anything else was make sure that everyone was educated. Because we'll show you the difference even between Haiti and Cuba right now. Cuba would have been in a turmoil like Haiti right now, you know. You know the difference?
Education.
Most of the people are educated.
Mm-hmm.
So they're more rational and they're not so hot-headed. The Haitians are hot-headed, so they have all this civil war and then can't finish because they're not educated people. If the Jamaican populace does not become more educated, we're doomed. Because you see these people, these politicians, they'll always use these people as their little puppets. Mark Golden can come out and make some man say, I'm on. Like somebody call it the hybrid patois.
But he's not a Jamaican by birth, you know.
Oh, so he wasn't born there?
So you don't listen to the channel. It's from last year. Jamaica.
No, he had a British passport, but I thought he was born in Jamaica. But
he's not. He was not born in Jamaica. He born in England. We told the people them from last year September, from the kill the people in St. Catherine, From the kill the woman named Sweeney and Rum Punch. That's when somebody within who was very close to Mark Golding called us because they see the violence that is about to take over the country. That's when the people that call us and tell us, say boy, them respect what we are doing, and they tell us straight up, say boy, we don't want Jamaica to go back to the dark days, you know. And you can see say this man going to. You understand? And that's when they told us, Mr. Chris, Mark Golding in Jamaica, we are telling that. And the person say you can't put them pitting live on the black feet. And somebody were closed.
So for him, it's neither here or there right now.
No, he's not Jamaican by birth. He's not Jamaican. That's why we always say bring, even the next day, you know, we say, boy, if we bring him birth certificate to come, bring him birth certificate to come to Parliament. Up to now, them, you understand, but you see
nobody not see birth certificate.
No, them not gonna do it because you have to understand, say when it come on to the
nobody can look it up now. You can look it up in the RGD.
But you have to understand, don't you hear Daryl Vaz say he's not a born Jamaican, and you know you're the Jamaican for Justice and the NIA say invasion of privacy. They don't care about Jamaica. Remember, I said PMP, you know, PMP. No care about PMP. No see themselves as Jamaican, you know. Them see themselves as PMP. Them will give them come like Trump supporters, you know. Them will come. Them will give them life just to the party, you know. So
that PJ though. Yeah, remember when PJ went to the IMF, you know, and sent Jamaica backwards economically, you know. What PJ did was enrich himself. So PJ sold out all the things that all the businesses that were nationally owned. When me grew up, you had a Jamaica telephone company.
Yes, JTC. Yes.
Owned. We had Air Jamaica. All of these were sold under PNP, under
PJ.
Under what's his name? PJ. Remember when Portia was in, she gave away this whole heap of this what she do with Lenny Little White, all that corruption with Portia. No, she took out NHT money. That's what she did. Took NHT money after they not build no house to give nobody, you know. Took out NHT money and bail out Lenny Little White. Portia seems to do that with claims that she loved the poor. They only look out for their own.
No man, the PNP is not a political party, it's a criminal organization. They've
done so much against the Jamaican people, and I can't believe that people have amnesia. Like, no, remember?
No, it's not amnesia. It's not amnesia. You have to understand that these people, they're organic robots. They can't think. And most of the bloggers, them not educating the people because they are PMP criminal organization supporters. Okay, they are just there to rip off the people. Scammers, them. Scammers.
They're there for views. Remember, they are there for views, you know. And they find that you have some little idiot. All right, for example, somebody that I thought should have sense and educated and read. But this person, even though educated, they don't read. They don't read nothing at all. So she would get a YouTube video and she just forward it to me without even opening up and see what it's about.
The
other day, they sent me a video and said, Andrew Holness is resigning. And I said, what are you talking about? Have you even read any official newspaper online even to find out what's going on? I said, don't send me foolishness. He's like, me never open it. Daddy said he come give me a send to you. Like, that don't make no sense. Know what's going on. So a lot of people don't read. I was telling somebody that if you have anything to hide from a Jamaican, put it in a book.
Yeah, man, that's what I'm True.
You know, so because they find what Mark Golding has done, he's very clever and he's very cunning. He realized that a lot of the people in Jamaica, they're educated or they're uneducated.
You know, so them are dumb, man.
And they're illiterate. A lot. I can't believe there's so much people. You see, even you look under the comments sometimes and then try to type something, you see all of the bad grammar and the bad spelling and something. And I said, you are the type of people that are out here hollering about Mark Golding and PMP. Because you can't even see when a country, they say, Andrew not giving up, Andrew the food. Guess what?
Licky.
Anything for you. Take policies that you need to take advantage of. Like, for example, when he said no more schools, no more fees for you to go to Hart. Go to Hart, learn a skill, we'll give you $50,000 to help you buy whatever tools you need. How many of the young people took that on?
No, they don't want that. They want handle.
You understand? The other day him come again and him say him take away guarantor for student loan to make education more accessible. Meaning, so now you can graduate high school and you can go to university. You have to go call Dr. Mahar for being a co-signer for you. That is a big deal. Bruce Golding was the one who came in and said we're gonna pay for 4 subjects for every student in high school to take: math, English, and mostly 2 others. So every picnic can leave school with some if I even 4 subjects. They have PATH program. They have this and that and the third. Take advantage.
No, them don't want that. Them in a licky thing. Them want you for mind them. If you don't give them nothing, them say you for dead.
Yeah. So me not really know, because I said I have properties in Jamaica right now, and I said, you know what? I don't think we can go live or retire out my age under PNP government. No. Because remember, you know what the people don't forget again?
Mm-hmm.
When I left Jamaica, I think, when I remember, GCT was 17.5%.
When I was there, it was 20. When I was there, it was 20%.
Yeah, a JLP come and roll it back to 15. That it is that they have since them been in power. I don't even think they raise it. From they roll it back, them not raise it.
But did you know who gave us GCT?
Portia.
No man, Michael Manley and PJ Patterson.
One of them, I must say PJ.
Yeah, I was police then. When Edward Young was Prime Minister, whenever I used to pay tax, only people who work used to pay tax, you know.
Yes. No, but remember how the GCT did go first. Remember, I said it was only added to certain items. Remember?
Yes. But like IPMP did it still though, you know. They are responsible for it.
Them say that there was no GCT and women's sanitary napkins.
And then them put it on.
Bread, milk, egg and something. Until them Portia say, we need money. Everything GCT.
Yeah man, all the uncared man, them
yes,
them
when
tax.
she got the IMF and Jamaica in this bind where we cannot get out of, the woman tax out with behind. Remember property taxes, she hike up every tax there was, the woman hike them up. You understand? And no new business were coming into Jamaica. Nobody now come to Jamaica, come invest. The economy is so bad. You understand? And now, Mr. People like, don't forget, but let me tell you, right now, Mark wants to get in there and get his hand on it, because, as you know, there's a surplus right now in the reserve.
Yeah, but the Jamaican people, that's why we have to look here. And
when he's going there and get him hands for the surplus, he's gonna run into the wreck. Like somebody was explaining, I think it was on Steady's channel, about how
which channel?
Steady name.
I
think it's Steady. Come here, my big up your channel sometimes.
For real, when say about the Jamaica Young Police channel?
And I think it was like he was just bigging up Dujan and Jamaica Young Police and some other channels, you know, like-minded people just trying to push, you know.
No, we have to save Jamaica, you know, because this is
what is the truth.
Yes, that's what it's all about for us over here. Hey, look here. As we said before, and we say it again, you have two political parties at Jamaica. One is just a little bit better than the other. That's what we're saying.
Exactly.
You understand what I'm saying? One is, I tell you straight up, say, criminality them I deal with. And
let me tell you something. You see, if under Andrew Holness, I had seen where Jamaica fared worst, I'd be like, you know what? He didn't do a better job. So him get too comfortable. Get rid of him.
Well, Jamaica...
But I can see that he's working. He is working, but my friends, you have a subsection of the society. We want everything for free. They don't really want work. There are advantages there. Me go to Jamaica, you see? We can't get one electrician for work. The man say him have so much work and the youth them don't want to work. Me can't get a plumber. If go to Jamaica right now and try to get a plumber, electrician, the man that does welding, me want one man to build one gate, the man saying can't find enough people. The man have to have my work, I drag it out. Masons, all of those people who skill labor, you can't find them because the youth them don't want work, you know. They want scam and bleach.
Yeah, man, and bleach.
Vibes Cartel is them. Vibes Cartel, you know, is who they look up to. So Vibes Cartel popularized bleaching and this and that, and you know, really just demoralize the society, and that's just a fact. Yeah, like them have him up on pedestal now, like Vibes Cartel. Them just never because some stupid judge never did his homework. That's why.
No. You have to no. It's not stupid. You have to understand. That's how corruption work. Remember, I said the judge them, the judge. You know how much the judge them are $500,000 US them get. You know you attacked with one of the guy who was a part of it where him know about it, that the money come from United States of America. That's it. The money went to Jamaica in a thing there. What you call it? It went to Jamaica in a it went to Jamaica in jackets, in a jacket, winter jacket during in March after the Privy Council. Isaac Buchanan is a conduit, you know, between the judges them and the drug dealer in New York. So that's why you have a TV station in New York and promote Vibes Cartel case. You
understand? But then I remember saying he's a non-criminal. He's a deportee. I don't even know how he became an attorney in Jamaica.
Well, that's why I will tell you, say, I the Prime Minister cause all them things because him believe in a second chance with criminal. Criminal not supposed to get no second chance. A man a criminal, him still a criminal forever.
The boy is a criminal. He's a deportee.
Big time.
And he never come to Jamaica for sure. He said want to go on the wrong side of things. When he never come to Jamaica and be a prosecutor and get some of the things.
No man, no, you know what? But you know what, criminal in your circle. You know what I'm saying? The man is.
But I'm saying, don't you see the homicide rate in Jamaica? So if you make Jamaica any good, why you never come with an intention to come scrape them off of the road and get them, prosecuted? Instead, you come to defend them.
But look, you know what? Just look who were on the side. Who were on the side of on the podium last week at the PMP criminal. All right, you see the guy that I don't know if you had to watch the video of the guy that platches. I don't know if you saw the video. I posted the photo of the guy Friday night. You see the guy that's in the video with him ear plat up. Yes, his name I put his ear stammer. His name is Courtney Samuels. His mother is a police officer. Him have two brother. One of them was a killer for popcorn. Police kill him at Portmore, and then he stammer. He was behind the killing of the others in East Kingston, out by East. And the thing is that now, Stammer, he went to prison. He went to prison in America for 10 years for coke dealing. So I pay a criminal him have up there on the stage, that guy with Vibes Cartel. He's the same man who Andre Blackman Brian. He's the one that introduced Popcorn to Vibes Cartel. That's how Vibes Cartel. Yes, that guy. Yeah, man. He's a criminal, He's responsible for a whole heap of killing in Jamaica. So when you see him up there and them thing, I pay a criminal they were parading. So. So he went, and this man, he was in England, and he's involved in the killing of one of his cousin. Yeah, you understand?
Wow.
My cousin.
And to think you can be so desperate for power, because as bad as things be back in the even when PJ was in power and so on, they would have the criminal, but they would have never put them on a podium.
well, look here, PJ. Remember, I said PJ Patterson. PJ Patterson did have. You see everything that Mark Golan is doing. This is what thing they have done before. What is his name?
PJ.
PJ did it before, and guess what? PJ did it before, and what's his name? Michael Manley is the master of it, because Michael Manley did it in 1976, as my father reminded me, when he paraded Bory Boy and fed them up from my community of Jonestown.
Oh.
So it's a history repeat itself. That's what you're seeing right there. History repeating itself. So it's nothing surprising.
So you want to tell me that we're going to go back from 1980 till now 50 years back? We are go back? 40 years back?
Yes. Then what? Then you never see what happened last year in what place name Gregor Park, when they killed the 3 people, when they killed Sweeney and burn out the people in Gregor Park. The guy when he charged of badness. Yeah, man. Then from then, man, I don't know nothing new on him. That's what the man. Remember, when time them kill the people in Gregor Park, up to now, Mark Golan never offer no condolences to the people, because that's him in my evil. Look for the people them
and you remember the PNP councillor man when them kill a Portmore in a broad daylight.
Okay, alright. You see, even that man is Mark Golan, them kill him. They are the one that behind it. They killed the man. They killed him to give a guy named Omar Ibanks, a convicted drug dealer, court dealer, to give him the seat for Tyson, because he right now.
Then kill him man brawling, and apparently, according to the citizens, he was like a loudmouth and was very anti.
Yes, but it's PMPC man kill him. They kill him to give the guy when named Omar Ibanks a seat. Mark Golan they did it, and Peter Bunton, because it's Lisa who's supposed to be the leader of the PMP. It's the seat.
But they kick her out.
Yeah, no, kick her out. I buy out the people them. If you listen to the channel, there's a guy on it named Omar Ibanks. You will hear it. If you're on Patreon, you would hear the entire conversation. Him tell you how much money Mark Golan them spend. In a Portmore, that's how Lisa and become the leader for the opposition.
Yeah.
If you join Patreon, you hear some things, so you will understand. So that's why Mark Golan behave like this. as real criminal. You know, see the people there's a video that I'm about to release again of a man by the name of Danville Palmer, known murderer and killer. I don't know if he had made his way in America. And Mark Golden marched with him last year, Labor Day, a killer, you know, a man who was convicted for murder, and the man parole in Jamaica for kill people. You ever see anything like that? And Mark Golden marched with him last year from Jonestown to Anatown. Murderer. His girlfriend was killed earlier this year. Yes, man. Mark Golden.
I didn't know. I never even know so the man was born in Jamaica and come to Jamaica cause much problem for the country.
Well,
the man you not care about Jamaica.
And the reason why most of you don't know because people, you have to understand that the Jamaican media is the enemy of the people.
They are.
Yeah.
Because Mr. TVJ and Anthony Miller and the whole of them are going like a Vibes Cartel it's like the king
okay. Well, you have to understand. Remember saying the PMP is all about decadence, you know. So it's all about to get the rear admiral them, motivate the rear admiral them and the criminals them. I just saw it go.
So they have Vibes Cartel. Oh, this that and it's like wanna just get this news and a plaster it and I run with it without the man is not convicted of any wrongdoing. They act like Andrew Holness has committed a crime.
Well, you have to understand, so them eat him.
Yeah. It's enrichment. Question versus conviction are very two different things. He has not been tried and convicted of a crime. So question is one thing, but them are put it in the minds of the populace as if to say Andrew Holness is this thief and in this, that. All know them can't show with the man no big money, movement of money from the public purse to his personal.
No man, that's straight, but you have to understand, say PMP them are bad mind people, you know. That's something them teach you from your small, you know. If you're born and growing in a PMP community, and you know what, I had spoken to someone who's from my community at Jonestown, and me are gonna make people hear the culture where they've been part to us. She that's what I'm saying. I'm going to make the people hear the culture where they've been part to us. You understand? Yeah man, cause them not impart nothing good to us as people. You understand?
Yeah, and of course, I tell them so they she love the poor and they must stay poor so they can't keep voting for them.
Yeah man, that's how it is, you know.
Terrible man. Me tell us, me cringe, you know, man. Me sad, me say, my God, people really want to go back to them time, eh? You see road and be like Jamaica, the people that working in Cornwall trying to rebuild a hospital. They have another plan to go tackle Spanish Town Hospital.
Well,
they just renovated health centers in St. Thomas. I'm like, St. Thomas, who would have thought St. Thomas would now make it on the map?
Yeah, no, St. Thomas, Portland, St. Thomas, not even Portland, St. Thomas and St. Mary, the forgotten parishes.
Yes. Right now, St. Thomas is into play big time now. And I'm like, people, I've never seen so many housing development. I've never seen so much construction just go on one time. And I'm like, what's going on in Jamaica? Why if you're not there in Jamaica now, if you're there in Jamaica now, especially if you're a skilled person and you're not working and you don't want to work. We don't want nobody tell me not to go on because that's not true. Not when you can't find electrician and you can't find me. I tell you, serious something, you know, we go down there, we can't find an electrician, can't find nobody. Because the people who are working are saying that they don't have enough people. So even if you call them, they might tell you, give me 2 weeks, give me 3 weeks, because I'm here alone at work. Can't find nobody.
Yeah, man, because them lazy, man. That baby chump want the youth them to become criminals, you know? And become deportees and drug dealers and killers. You
and
understand?
guess what? He's a white man, you know. What is black Jamaicans are not understand. Mark Golden is a white man. So no matter where he goes in this world, he has favors.
Yes, man. You understand? Him have a leg up already.
Yeah, him already have a leg up.
Because
your black ass don't have nowhere to go because nobody wants us. You understand?
No, but black people, and look here, and the black people, them not care about him say man not Jamaican, you know. All them care say my PMP. Dummy them, you know. And you know, so the people, them, the original PMP, them free them like pussy up.
Of course, they can't say nothing. Because you know, see Karen Cross, she's the only one me here talk about him.
She and the other girl, that come from my community at Jonestown.
It's sad, man. It's a sad time for Jamaica. And the way how the man just have, I'm going to tell them from when people should have known the Mark Golden no good. I'm going to sit down and watch them. Can you see when when Nigel Clark went up there and gave this big raise to all the politicians, essentially. And me, for one, I was irate. I was like, why would the man go and announce this kind of pay package before election? Him know this is going to be a big talking point for the PNP.
PNP, yes.
But he was smart, because what he did, he made sure everybody got it, including the PNP. If you notice, them don't mention it when they campaign now.
Yeah, man, but you know, your Lisa and session I give back. But Mark Gold, but Baby Trump not give back his. He might tell him, say, he might donate 80%.
Here was Mark Golding's opportunity to really make a point and took a stance. When Nigel Clark, and from this, I said, I'm a hypocrite, you know. When Nigel Clark made the announcement in beat panning desk, because he was going to benefit too as the leader of the opposition and get this big pay raise, right? When him hear the backlash from the populace, the man say, oh, I will not take it right now. I will donate mine. And I'm like, in that moment, why you never say it? You waited for a backlash to act like you were never in agreement with him. Man, he never turned it down. Not one of the PNP members turned it down. They all took it. So no can't say no, just more of the same. And if anything, if they lose the election, we think that would be a big part of it, because a lot of people were so upset that government gave themselves big raises and lots of people.
No, but remember, say after that was the election and them win 5-7. Them lose control like KSAC, and remember say I buy vote as usual, you know.
Yeah.
And them count the people, them and turn them.
Well, guess what? That is why Nigel, I felt like, should never have awarded that raise when he did. You know why? All you did was put more money in a PNP pocket so them now can go buy more votes. They're richer now. All of them. We feel like, say, him should have waited until after the general election, see what go on, and after them win that, then. But I don't feel like that was a move he should have made before the election. Because when you do enrich them, you know you give them more money. So of course they have more buying power now.
True.
I don't feel like that raise they should have been awarded. I feel like he should have waited till after the election. Because you know Jamaican people, oh, so that's what you do, give yourself and a friend. And right now them not holding the PNP accountable, you know, because them all say, well, and them give it to themselves and Nigel give it to them, so them take it.
And but remember that they are the one that's voted for it too. But because people them are because the people them are dummy, you know that.
Yeah, them not go hold them accountable. Them not go hold them accountable. Also Nigel should have made the calculation say, make them raise right now, the whole of them have money, man. The more vote them are go buy. The whole of them are live large right now. Right now, it not even matter. Them not even Mark Golding to me. Mark Golding has not, and that's the next thing where people now listen to. What is the policy that Mark Golding has put forward? Well, he hasn't talked about any crime fighting measures.
No. Well, the man show you what he's all about. Criminality.
Exactly. You have a convict, a deported convict who claims to be a lawyer.
No, man. I'm more than Isaac Buchanan is not the only one. You have Courtney Samuels that was up there to stammer. Yeah, I understand. The man. I am just telling you. I am telling you, you know.
Lord Jesus, it's sad. I mean, I wonder if so Jamaicans, the well-thinking Jamaicans, all them people that were up in a uptown and we sit down and live peaceful lives, them better get up off of their ass and go vote.
Well,
let's become like Haiti.
Well, that's how they want to take away on them thing. The PNP always, that are them dream. You understand?
People really, we have to get out the votes, because me myself, I'm planning to go home to vote. As I'm like, I'm gonna feel so badly if I didn't really. At least I know I cast my ballot, my one vote. That's all I have. You know, but if people rest on their laurels and them not get up and really go vote for progress and to really acknowledge that, you know what, my life is better right now. There's no perfect situation. Well, but no matter what happened, Jamaica, the fact that people don't want to look at the overall growth of the economy, you know, they just want to look.
Yeah, so I was said to you before, this is part 2. This is the end of part 2. But part 3 will be coming up same time tomorrow. So those of you who want to support the Jamaica Young Police channel, Patreon Squad, you can just go over there and support it. As we said, you know, we have cut off, all of these, over 3,000 people watching videos for free. And we know that some Jamaicans are socialistic and They love freeness. And you have to understand that we live in a capitalist world. And even charity works on some form of budget. So you have to understand that time and effort, as they say, encouragement sweeten labor. So you have to understand that. So if you want to, without waiting for the entire conversation with this former nurse in Jamaica, you just go to the Jamaica Young Police channel, the Patreon squad, and check it out. And look there. There's some information there that you won't find here on YouTube. But as we said before, we know that the dummies don't really check out YouTube or Jamaica Young Police channel unless we post certain video. And that's just a fact. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police channel. Out.